Hello and welcome. I come again with a very good news. Sonu Sood help migrants to reach their home. Migrant workers have helped build our roads, homes and office. We cannot stand and watch them be homeless, says actor Sonu Sood. Each day since the COVID-19 lockdown in Mumbai, the actor has been organizing buses for migrant workers to travel from Mumbai to their respective hometowns. As part of his Ghar Bhejo campaign, he has helped approximately 12,000 migrants reach home, and arrangements have been made for another 45,000. He responds to questions over a voice note amid what he calls a crazily busy schedule that keeps him awake nearly 22 hours a day. Each day, at least around 45,000 people are provided food and water as well. Popular for his antagonist role in blockbusters such as Dabang, Arundhati, Dukhdu, and Chandramukhi. Among other films off screen, Sonu has the reputation of being amiable. Now he is being hailed as a hero for the relief work he has taken up voluntarily. His team has set up a toll free number, and he also looks into requests that pour in through social media. Initially, I spoke to some of the migrants here. They were in tears and their kids were in a bad shape. I requested some of them to wait for a day or two, stating that I will try to help, he recalls. He contacted friends who could help him reach out to the transport authorities, police officials, and state governments of Maharashtra and Karnataka to get the required permissions. The logistic and paperwork took effort. We obtained clearness, and with all medical safety precautions in place, we managed to send 350 migrants to Karnataka. That was the first step, he elaborates. Since then, buses from Mumbai have plied to Karnataka, and permissions were also obtained for migrants to travel to UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, and Rajasthan. Requests to travel to other states are also coming in. Sonu is eager to help those who want to travel in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana, but complies with the rules of the respective state government. Given the high number of cases in Maharashtra, permissions have been tough to obtain from some states like Telangana. We have flying buses only to those states that have given us permissions, he said. The Shramik trains that ply migrant workers across the country, agrees Sonu, have helped address the crisis to an extent, but there is still demand for buses. There are millions of people who need help, and we are trying to best we can. I don't think we will stop till we help the last person who wants to go home. It's hugely satisfying to reunite them with their families, he says. His family members, his chartered accountant, and friends have been looking into different aspects of the work. A lot of small things require coordination, like deciding who travels on which bus at what time. Some of my friends also pick up migrants stranded in different areas of Mumbai and drop them at the buses, he adds. The actor calls it a team effort, says the film Fraternity has also pitched in to help. He mentions how director Farah Khan calls on a daily basis to know the requirements and helps with organizing water for everyone involved. Though Sonu does not disclose how much he has spent over the last few weeks, reports indicate that buses cost anywhere from 65,000 to 2 lakh for hire. Sonu began hiring them at his own expense, and as the word spread, people have come forward to do their bit for food, water, and other requirements. In the meantime, Sonu also opened the doors for his family owned Shakti Sagar Hotel in Juhu, Mumbai, named after his father, to shelter paramedical staff and doctors. Health workers are the wall between us and the virus. We are happy to provide them food and a place to rest before they resume their work the following day. It is a huge challenge and responsibility, admits Sonu. God is making it happen, and we have been chosen as tools. There are miles to go, and the journey will continue, says Sonu Sood. And in the last, I would like to say he has an engineering background.